Hello everyone and welcome back to Safe Decode. Today, we are decoding the brain of the entire fire safety network, the Fire Alarm Control Panel, or FACP. For many safety officers and security guards, this panel is just a confusing box of flashing lights and beeping noises. But as an engineer, you must be able to read its digital language fluently, because it is the only thing that tells you exactly what is happening inside the walls of your building. When you look at the display screen of a modern addressable panel, you will encounter three distinct types of signals. Understanding the difference between them is not just about passing an exam. It is about knowing whether you need to call the fire department or call a maintenance technician. 1. The alarm signal, red. This is the most critical signal. When the alarm LED lights up red and the sirens begin to sound, the panel is telling you that a life safety emergency is occurring right now. Trigger. This signal is triggered by an initiating device detecting an actual fire condition, smoke in a detector, heat rising rapidly, water flowing through a sprinkler pipe, or a human pulling a manual call point. Meaning, there is a fire. Action, this is not a drill. The building evacuation protocols initiate immediately, magnetic doors release, elevators recall to the ground floor, and the HVAC shuts down to stop smoke spread. 2. The supervisory signal, yellow-amber. This is often the most misunderstood signal. A supervisory signal does not mean there is a fire, nor does it mean the panel is broken. It means a specific piece of equipment is in an abnormal state that could prevent it from working if a fire did happen. Trigger. The most common cause is a fire sprinkler valve being closed, tamper switch activation. It can also be a duct detector cover being loose or a generator running, meaning I am working, but someone has disabled part of my protection. Action. You do not evacuate, you investigate. If the screen says Supervisory Sprinkler Valve Room 101, you go there and open the valve. The trouble signal, yellow. The trouble light indicates a hardware or wiring failure within the system itself. Trigger. This happens if a backup battery is dead, a wire has been cut, open circuit, a device has been removed, or there is a ground fault. Meaning, I am sick. I might not be able to detect a fire if one happens. Action. This requires a certified technician. You cannot just reset a trouble signal. You must physically repair the fault, such as replacing the battery or reconnecting the wire. Mastering these three signals, alarm, emergency, supervisory, impairment, and trouble,